Hello everyone, in today's video we will be doing your worksheets from throughout the week. So let's begin immediately. Okay, so exercise number 1 wants us to color the boxes that are the solution to the 5 times tables. So basically what this is saying is, can I get these numbers by multiplying something with 5? And if we can, then we need to color the box they're in. So in this case, it can help to have the timetable of 5 written here. So all the results. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. And of course, and this is very important for this exercise, we usually start with 5 because that's what we get when we do 1 times 5. 5. But we can also get 0 if we multiply 5 with 0. So let's begin immediately. 12 is not a result, as you can see. 25 is. 32 is not. 5 is right here. 45 also is right here. 42 is not a result, but 40 is. 17, 3, and 29 are not any of the results. 30 and 0 are. 24 is not. 15 and 20 are right here. Then we have 29, which is not a result. 50 is a result right here. 7 is not a result. 10 and 35 are. 10 right here and 35 here. Next up, we want to find the results of these multiplications. So here we need to do 10 times 4. Well, the trick for 10 is, if you remember, and this will come in handy for all of these, what am I multiplying with 10? I'm multiplying 4. I just write that number again with a 0 at the end. So 40. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 2, so my result is going to be 20. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 8, so my result is going to be 80. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 10, so my result is going to be 100. Here I am multiplying 10 with 6, so my result is going to be 60. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 0, and we said that any multiplication with 0 in it always makes 0. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 8 again, so my result is going to be 80 again. Here I'm multiplying 10 with 5, so the result is going to be 50. And here I'm multiplying 10 with 6, so the result is 60. That's exercise 1. Pause the video if you need to check your answers. Let's move on to exercise 2. Worksheet 2. Okay, here we need to finish the multiplications again. So 2 times 5, so the double of 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. 8 times 2, so the double of 8. The double of 8 is 16. 3 times 2, so the double of 3. Double of 3 is 6. 2 times 1, the double of 1 is 2, so 2. 2 times 6 means the double of 6. Double of 6 is 12. 2 times 4 means the double of 4, so 8. 2 times 9 means the double of 9, so 18. 7 times 2 means the double of 7, so 14. 2 times 2 means the double of 2, so 4. 10 times 2, we had these multiplications with 10 before. Well, we could also say the double of 10, so 20, because 10 and 10 makes 20. 2 times 7, so now the double of 7, 14. Here we have 2 times 10, so 10 and 10 makes 20 again. 5 times 2 means double of 5, so 10. And lastly, here we have 9 times 2, so the double of 9, 18. Next, we need to do these multiplications which are mixed. 1 times 10, I get 10 because when I multiply a number with 1, that number is the result. Here we have 0 times 8, so 0, because when I multiply a number with 0, I always get 8. And the same goes, you don't have to do them in order necessarily. I'm going to put zeros in all the multiplications that have 0 in them. So 0 times 5, 0 times 1, 0 times 10. And then we have the rest of these multiplications are multiplications with 1. So 1 times 7, 1 times 2, 1 times 4. And you should always remember that whenever I multiply something with 1, that number is the result. So here I'm multiplying 1 with 4. Therefore, the result is 4. Here I'm multiplying 1 with 7, so the result is 7. And here I'm multiplying 1 with 2, so the result is 2. And that's all your exercises. Oh, what did I do? That's all your exercises. Pause the video if you need to check. And that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys again on Monday. Have a great weekend and do your homework. Bye.